Hi, and welcome back to 3D printed soup. As a change up from my usual format, I've decided to do a thing called print de jour. Basically it means I do one print a day because I'm trapped in the house. We're all trapped in the house, so a quick, easy print once a day just to keep me and you entertained. Seeing that I'm trapped in kind of like one room office environment, I've been thinking, what can I do to make this more pleasant? And I had a look around and I realised at the moment I have my Xbox One S. It sits flat on a glass shelf, doesn't look particularly interesting or particularly stylish, as you'll see here. So, what I want to do is print out some kind of riser or some kind of elevator that makes it stand out and look a little bit more stylish and a little bit more cool. And also means I can put another retro console underneath it without it getting too hot or catching on fire. So, I had a quick look on Thingiverse as usual and found a really fantastic 3D printed riser. You basically clip onto the side of your Xbox One, the Xbox One S, and just lifts it up. It makes it look a little bit more funky. So, let's give this a print and see how it goes. But before we do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Really helps me out and stops me going insane. So, like, subscribe and click the notification button at the top so you know when I next upload another print de jour, which by its name will mean that it's uploaded tomorrow. But it doesn't matter, don't question me. Let's see how this prints. Okay, so that went really well, and they turn up really quite nicely. So let's attach these to the Xbox and see how that actually affects it, whether it actually makes it look any better. So yeah, we're gonna put the blue ones at the front. They just go on like so. I'm gonna do it a little bit back so that on the other side they can match, because as you see there's this little groove there. I don't want to cover that up, so just line that up to about there, yeah, about there, and pop one at the back. Let's say, get that off there, about there, and another one clips on about there. And there you have it. That sits up there nicely. And let's see how this looks underneath the screen. Well, yeah, I think they look pretty cool. Thanks for watching 3D printed soup. Once again, this is print de jour, one print a day, for however long this bloody thing lasts. Thanks for watching.